Cold temperatures. Those temperatures will be falling on the other side of the cold front, and that's what's bringing in the wind. And that same cold front did also move most of that snow overhead. Low pressure connected to a cold front caused a lot of issues for the middle part of the country and the East Coast. But going overnight and early tomorrow, temperatures at 19 for spots like Worcester. It will be feeling sub-zero, though, because wind gusts staying near 60 miles per hour at times. Spots like Norwood, 26 degrees, but it will be feeling like 12 degrees, and Plymouth, 26 degrees, feeling like the teens as well. Now, throughout the day, we might see those feels like temperatures rising a touch, but this is a look at Worcester, 3 o'clock, feeling like 4 degrees. So keep the jacket handy tomorrow, gloves, scarves, everything that you need, especially if you're going to be walking outside for an extended period of time, because even as those temperatures make it to the low and middle 20s, the wind is going to be making it feel closer to the single digits to around 10 degrees. So we already have those 50+ mile per hour wind gusts nearing 60 miles per hour for Worcester, Fitchburg, 53 mile per hour gusts, Boston 21 miles per hour. That's likely going to be rising into early tomorrow. And then spots along the Cape around 45 miles per hour as far as those gusts go. So as we head through tomorrow, by mid-morning, we are going to see across the board, that's when the gustiest time comes our way, where those 60 mile per hour gusts are going to be the regular for a span of time between around 10:30 in the morning to around 1 in the afternoon. We'll eventually start to see them easing up a bit, especially as the sun goes down, but it's still going to stay a bit breezy even into Tuesday. So the snow and the rain, freezing rain, all of that we saw today, it is finally moving out, but what is left is the water on the roads. So if you're ready for to run out the door tomorrow, make sure everything is salted. Water on the sidewalks will be freezing up. Any of that moisture will be freezing up overnight tonight as those temperatures continue to tumble and as we're going to see this system continue to exit. So it's going to be windy. It's going to be colder, watching temperatures falling to the low 20s by early tomorrow morning, middle 20s right along the coast. But for the most part, it's going to be feeling like those single digits and low 20s. So we get a little bit of a breather by the time we go into Tuesday. It's still going to be cold on Tuesday, but it's going to be a bit more calm out there. But then by the time that Thursday rolls around, we'll see another potential for snow. Now, it's all going to depend on the track of this low pressure. Right now, it does look like it's going to move out over Virginia and then bring the chance for some light accumulations for parts of southern New England. But if this low pressure does move at all to the north, it could be bringing us more snow, or if it moves at all to the south, it could be bringing us less as far as impacts go. But right now, it does look like that heaviest snow is going to be further south. And this is just a first look at the forecast, where there is a potential to see up to 3 inches of snow in spots, even higher totals potentially along the Cape. But as you get towards Boston, towards southern New Hampshire, less than an inch of snow is going to be more likely. So it all depends on that track, and we'll be watching that closely in the coming days. Beyond that, though, we have sunshine and a quiet weekend coming our way. So after seeing rain and snow these past few weekends, we have a quiet weekend next weekend. Lots of sunshine on the way, but it's still going to be cold, highs in the low and middle 30s.
All right, well, it will be nice to get a little bit of that sunshine. Sydney, thank you.